Two people invest the exact same $500 a month. Same fund, same 8%, same discipline. One of them ends up with $1 million more than the other. The only difference between them is 10 years. Today we put a number on waiting, a real one. Here is the setup, and it never changes. $500 a month, 8% a year. Everybody stops at 65. The only thing we move is the start. 25, 35, or 45. Start at 25. 40 years of investing. Out of your own pocket, you put in $240,000. You finish with $1,745,000. Almost all of it is not your money. 1.5 million of it is interest. Now start at 35. You did not do anything wrong. You just started 10 years later. 30 years of investing, $180,000 out of pocket. You finish with $745,000. And start at 45. 20 years, $120,000 out of pocket. You finish with $294,000. Now look at what just happened. The 25-year-old put in $60,000 more than the 35-year-old. $60,000. And they finished with $1 million more. Every extra dollar they put in came back 16 times over. That is not a better fund. That is not better timing. That is just time. Quick pause. If this is landing, subscribe. It is free, and it helps more than you think. Here is the part that hurts. Which 10 years actually built that million? The first 10. The money you put in between 25 and 35, left alone until 65, is worth exactly $1 million on its own. $60,000 in, $1 million out. Those 10 years are the million. And they are the 10 years almost everyone skips. So what does it cost to start late? Let's do the honest math. To finish exactly like the 25-year-old, starting at 35, you do not need $500 a month. You need $1,171. Starting at 45, $2,963 a month. Waiting does not just cost you money. It raises the price of the same result almost 6 times. And here is the trap. Most people wait for the right moment. A better salary, a cleared debt, a calmer market. But the market does not pay you for being ready. It pays you for being early. $500 a month at 25 beats $1,500 a month at 40. Boring beats brilliant if boring starts first. So what if you are already 35 or 45? Then this is the good news. The best day was 10 years ago. The second best is today. Every year you wait from here is the most expensive year you will ever buy. And the fix is never complicated. Automate it. Same day, every month. Never look at it again. So here is the whole video in one line. It is not what you invest. It is not even how much. It is when. Time does the heavy lifting. You just have to show up early enough to let it. If this made the math click, subscribe for more. And watch my debt versus investing video next. Same energy, same real numbers. See you in the next one.